It's a beautiful place. I came here for hiking, uphill and downhill. Are you tired, Iman? Okay. Walk slowly. Oh my God. Wow. Doing so fresh air here. It's very nice. Great and beautiful place. Anthropogenic. Everybody throws trash over here. I can see here many alcohol bottles all broken here. It's such a beautiful, it's a piece of heaven. We have continued hiking here. It's raining and we're still here. Isan is very tired. Even she can't walk. It's very hard to walk for her. It's uphill. Isani, look at here. Are you so tired? So why did you come here? You have to walk uphill, okay? Now Iman is climbing uphill. It's very steep and hard trail here. So he's trying. Be careful. Good job, Iman. Hard trail here. I'm getting afraid. But anyhow, I have to go and go forward. So I have to climb this uphill slowly. It's very hard. My God. It's a nice trail. Such a beautiful trail. Iman, it's slippery, okay? Because it is raining, so be careful and walk slowly. It's also sandy trail here. It's sandy and gravel. ठिक छ दाजु हामी ओके आज हामी हजुर हजुर खुसी लाग्यो तपाईँहरूसँग यो ट्रेलमा आउँदा चाहिँ
यो काठमाडौँ किलो हिसाबले खानुपर्ने हुन्थ्यो
हजुर
तर अब अहिले
हाम्रो सन्तोष
साथीहरूलाई पनि सम्झिन्छु यहाँबाट गाईजहरू के हुँदैछ टनेलमा
ओके यहाँ सन्तोष दाई चाहिँ उहाँ चाहिँ हङकङ रिटर्न र अहिले नेपालमा हुनुहुन्छ हालमा सो हङकङमा साथीहरूले म्यासेज दिइरहनु भएको छ के हुँदैछ हङकङमा So how is it going on over there? It's also a very nice place for cycling. Someday we'll come here for cycling. It's all here, cedar trees and other trees also here, but almost cedar tree I can see here, and such a nice trail here. I'm so happy today, and it's Tarebhir hiking trail, so we continue going ahead with energy, so we haven't lost our energy yet. So it's my second time for Tarebhir hiking, and this time we came through this trail. Yaman is still climbing uphill with Santosh Dai, and he's also very energetic. We continue hike in the future also. So guys, I'll put this video on my YouTube channel, and to subscribe and like. So I would like to request you, whoever watch my YouTube channel, so I'm just trying to make some videos about travel vlog and hiking. Little bit cloudy today, it's not clear view. This is Kathmandu. Okay, hello Kathmandu, we're here. So I'm watching from Tarebhir hiking trail. Finally we arrived in our destination here. We'll have a very nice enjoyment here today. At last we gonna end our this Tarebhir hiking trail, and some people they come here and stay overnight. They can hire this tent and nice resort here. I would say this is bamboo resort because it's all made of bamboos, and here also lingeping, so we can swim in this lingeping, but it's totally damaged. So what are you doing, Iman? Are you exciting?
नमिसँग खुट्टा दुखिरहेछ यो गेस्ट भएर के अनि त्यो टमाटर चाहिँ लास्टमा मात्रै हाल्नु नि लास्टमा त्यो टमाटर है नुन खायो
ब्रेकफास्ट चना र अन्डा आज हामी चाहिँ फर्स्टमा आएको हुनाले ल सन्तोष दाई ल इमान यो चाहिँ लोकल भाले है यहाँ सन्तोष दाई आजको हाम्रो हाइकिङ ट्रेलको कमान्डर
इमान आउँछ भन्छौ